Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening to all of you. So today we continue on our tutorial discussions on chapter 5. Okay. Hey! Okay. Okay. For question 1, okay, find the distance between these 2 points. Okay. Find the distance between 2 points. It's given in terms of point, which is point A and point B. Point A equal to 1, 2. Point B equal to 2, 2. So in order to find the distance, we can get coordinate X minus coordinate B square plus a coordinate Y minus coordinate Y second Y square and then power of 2 and then square root. Okay. So this one, we know that in order to find the distance between A and B is either one. Whether you put as 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2 is correct. Okay, you can choose either one because is here is you have the power of 2, doesn't matter. Okay, 2 minus 1 square plus 2 minus 1 square, and then you can get square root 2. Okay, B, okay, B, R, point R 83 and point S 36. So this one also a same thing. 3 minus 8 square plus 6 minus 3 square. So here you can get square root 34. And then C, point P, you have 0, 1, 1. And then point Q, you have 3, 4, 5. This one, we want to find the distance between P and Q. Okay, 3 minus 0 square plus 4 minus 1 square plus 5 minus 1 square. This one also same thing. You get square root 34. And then D, U, point U equal to 819. And then point V equal to 643. And then you want to find distance between U and V, 6 minus 8 square, 4 minus 1 square, and then 3 minus 9 square. And then this one you can get square root 49. Square root 49 put lah as 7. Sebab yang ni kita boleh simplify. Okay? Boleh? Any problem? Question 1? Okay. Now look on the question 2. Find the each vector represent by the directed line segment AB below. Okay, so this one you want to find vector AB. Start from A is a initial point and then terminal point is B. Okay, so it is given the initial point is 4, 5. Terminal point B is 0, 2. So vector AB, make sure you must put a symbol vector here. Okay, equal to, and then the bracket here should be something like this, not the circle bracket because it is a vector. Okay, 0 minus 4, 2 minus 5. So you can get negative 4, negative 3. For B, initial point negative 3, negative 3. Terminal point is negative 6, negative 7. And then you can get vector AB equal to negative 6 minus minus 3 minus 7 minus minus 3. So you can get negative 3, negative 4. And then C, the initial point is a 3, 4, 5. The terminal point is 6, 7, 8. And then the vector AB equal to 6 minus 3, 7 minus 4, and then 8 minus 5. And then you can get 3, 3, 3. And then the last one, the initial point is 0, 0, 6. Okay. And then the terminal point is 3 to 7. So the vector AB equal to 3 minus 0, 2 minus 0, and 7 minus 6. And then you can get 3, 2, 1. That one for question 2. Okay? Boleh faham? Okay. Now looks on question 3. Express each of the vector below in the standard basis vector. Okay. So you want to express in the standard basis vector. Macam mana standard basis vector? Bukan standard basis vector macam ni. Standard basis vector means that you give in terms of ij je. Okay. Standard basis vector. Okay, so you are given in terms of ij. So your question A, this one, your answer is vector I minus 5j. That is the answer. Okay, B. Okay, B. I sin theta plus j cos theta. Okay, and then C, negative I minus 2j plus 3k. Make sure you must put the symbol, what we call it, symbol vector tu And then D, nine, oh sorry, 9i plus 7j minus 3k. Ini je jawapan dia. Mudah je tu. Okay. Okay, question 4. Find the vector 3m, 5m plus n and m minus 2n. Where? Okay, dia bagi apa? A, m equal to 7, negative 3, 1. And then vector n equal to negative 2, 2, 8. Okay, so you want to find the vector 3m? Darab je lah. 3m, you can get the vector 3 times by vector m. So you can get 21, minus 9, and then 3. And then you want to find for question second, 5m plus n. So 5 times by vector m plus vector n. Okay, so this one you must times first. So you can get 35, 15, and 5. And then plus negative 2 to 8. And then you can get berapa tu? N. Okay, 33, 17, and 13. Okay, that one for question A, 2, and then 3, m, vector m minus 2n. Okay, so vector m, 7, negative 3, 1, minus 2 times by vector n, negative 2, 2, 8, and then you can get 11, negative 7, negative 5. Okay, that one for question A. For question B, okay, you have m equal to 0, 4, 2, and then n equal to 3, 3, 5. Okay, so you can get vector 3m equal to 0, 12, 6. Vector 5m plus vector n, you can get 3, 23, 5. And then vector m minus 2n. Okay, yang n ni awak kena darab dulu dengan 2. So you can get minus 6 minus 2, 12. That one for question B. Okay, for question C, this one for question A, this one negative 15. Okay, negative 15. So here supposedly negative 13. Okay, betul. 33, negative 13 lah kan. For A, negative 15. Ni betul ni. So your final answer is 33, negative 13, and then 13. Okay? Is it correct?
Betul, betul.
Okay, bagus. Jangan senyap je. Baguslah awak alert. Tu baru boleh duduk final exam.
Right,
Okay,
sir.
question C. Okay, you have M equal to 8J plus 4K. Okay, remember this one. Awak kena buat ni. Simbol vektor. Sebab itu adalah vektor. Dalam buku tak buat sebab dia bold. Kalau saya tengok macam ni ha. Saya nampak bold ke tak J awak tu? Tak nampak kan? So that's why you must put symbol vector. Whether you put this one here or here. It's up to you. You can choose either one. Jangan sesekali tak letak simbol sebab itu adalah bold. In your module is bold. But handwriting is quite difficult for me to justify whether you bold it or not. Sama je. Kan nanti saya pangkah salah kan marah pula. Okay? Salah sekarang tak apa. Jangan salah waktu final exam nanti. Okay. 3M. So you can get 24J. This one also same thing. Nanti tolak markah je ni. Okay. 24J plus 12K. And then for question 2. 5M plus N. This one also same thing. Must put the symbol vector here. So 5 times by M. You can get 14J plus 20K, and then you here, we don't have here, so you can get 3I, aduh, kenapa tak ada pula ni? Plus lah. Okay, bukan koma, plus. Okay, 3I plus 36J plus 13K. 13K ke? Bukan 30K ni. 27. 20 plus 7. Bukan tolak. Okay, so 27K here. Salah. Okay, and then 3. M minus 2N. So you can get 8J. This one also same thing. Put a symbol vector. 2 times 3I minus 4J plus 7K. So expand this one. You can get 6I minus ni berapa? 8 saja. And then 14. Okay. And then you can get negative 6I plus berapa tu? 16J. 16J plus, okay, so not plus, minus
20J, sir.
then, mana 20J?
8 tambah 12.
Mana 8? Bukan 8 tambah 12. Ni 8J je. Bukannya 12 ni. 8. Kan 2 darab 4, 8 ni. 8J. So 8. Tolak-tolak jadi tambah. So ni final answer awak. Okay. Negative 6I plus 16J minus 10K. Okay. Okay, D. Your M equal to 3I. So this one also same thing. Letak simbol ni. Malas. Okay, so 3M equal to 9I. Yang ni direct je. Okay, 5M. So this one also same thing. Simbol ni. Okay, 15I. Okay, so you can get 14i. Ni sama ni. Dia bukan koma ya. Okay. 14i minus 9j plus k. Okay. Ataupun awak boleh juga buat macam ni. 14 negative 9 1. Kalau awak nak koma sangat. Okay, buat macam tu. Okay, kalau awak put in the IJK, dia mesti kena ada plus minus. Okay. And then question 3. Yang 3 punya. Okay. This one also same thing. Letak ni. Okay. 3i minus 2i. This one ni. Kenapa ni? This one no have. Comma. Okay. Comma. Also same thing. Don't have. Okay. So your final answer is 5i plus 18j minus 2k. Okay? Boleh? Any problems?
No problem,
Ada
sir.
soalan tak?
Sir.
Now looks on question 5. Find the magnitude of 2a and then magnitude of b minus 2a. Okay. And then kita dah ada A, what is A? For question A, vector A is 1, 1, 1. And then vector B is 3, 3, 3. Okay, so now you want to find vector 2A first. Vector 2A, you just times by 2 and then you can get 2, 2, 2. And then magnitude of 2A equal to square root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. And then this one you can get square root of 12. Okay, also a same thing for vector B minus 2A. Okay, B minus 2A. Actually B tu kena ada ni juga ni. Dia tertinggal ni. Supposedly. Ni, dia macam ni. Dia kena ada simbol. Sebab B is a vector ni. Okay. 3, 3, 3 minus 2A is 2, 2, 2. So you can get 1, 1, 1. And then magnitude of vector B minus 2A equal to square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. And then you can get square root of 3. That one for question A. For question B, we have the vector A, which is 5, 2, 9, and vector B is 7, 4, negative 1. And then you want to find vector 2A, just times 2 times 5 times 2 times 9. So you can get 10, 4, 18. And then magnitude of 2A, you can get square root of 10 square plus 4 square plus 18 square. So you can get 4, 4, 0. And then also same thing, this one is a vector. B minus 2A, so you can get 7, 4, negative 1, minus 10, 4, 18, so you can get negative 3, 0, negative 19. And then after you find the magnitude of vector B minus 2A, you can get square root of 370. Okay, that one for question B. For question C, you have a vector A, negative 3J. So this one, vector. Okay, nah ni, kena ada. Okay, negative 3J minus 5K. And the vector B, 2I plus 4J minus 6K. Kalau awak tak nak letak vector IJK, letak dalam bentuk bracket macam ni. 2A, so you can get 2 times 0, negative 3, negative 5. Remember, jangan tertinggal dia punya 0 because I here is 0. And then you can get 0, negative 6, negative 10. After you find the magnitude here, you can get square root of 136. Also a same thing for vector B minus 2A. So you can get Vector 2, 4, negative 6, minus 0, negative 6, negative 10. So you can get, ni dah kenapa ni, tambah ni. Okay, so supposedly you must put the comma 2 and then comma 10 and then comma 4. So you can get 1 to 0. Jangan confuse. Benda boleh solve, faham, but your handwriting is wrong, automatically akan bagi jawapan salah. Even though you write the correct answer, but your method is wrong, automatically your answer wrong. Faham? Make sure carefully in your writing. Kalau tambah, buat tambah. Kalau koma, buat koma. Kalau tolak, buat tolak. Boleh?
Boleh, sir.
Boleh, sir.
Mengantuk je semua ni. Saya
Tak ada,
bersemangat.
sir. Mana ada ngantuk, sir?
Awak semangat sikit lah.
Okey, baik, sir.
Okay? Okay, D. 2A, vector A equal to negative I, and then B, vector B equal to 7I, 2J minus 3K. So you can get vector 2A equal to 2 times negative 1, 0, 0. So you can get negative 2, 0, 0, whereby magnitude 2A, so you can get 2. Okay, and then also a same thing for vector B minus 2A, you can get square root 94. Okay, boleh? That one for
Boleh, sir.
question 5. Now looks on question 6. Express each of the following vector in standard basis. Vector, terms, and find the unique vector. Ni dia suruh transform to standard basis. What is standard basis? Means that in terms of I plus J macam ni. Ataupun plus K. Ni dia ada I, J, K. Apa-apa value lah sini. Okay. So A. Vector V. Okay. Square root of 3 and 2. So you can find in terms of standard basis, you can get square root 3i plus 2j. Tulis macam ni. Kan senang. Okay. So now you want to find the unit vector. In order to find unit vector, you need to find the magnitude first. Okay. What is your magnitude? Okay. So your magnitude is square root of 7. So you can get the unit vector, which is this vector divided by the magnitude. So you can get square root of 3 divided by 7, comma 2 divided by square root of 7. Ingat, bila awak nak buat dalam bentuk bracket, since this one is a vector, you must write in terms of this bracket. Bukannya circle bracket. Okay? Faham? Bracket tu salah. Because it is a vector. Ataupun you boleh tulis dalam bentuk 3 7i plus 2 7j. Okay, you can choose either one lah. If you want put in terms of bracket, make sure you use the correct bracket. Jangan guna bracket yang salah. Okay, question B. Vector V equal to 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta. Ini cos, bukan sin, cos. Okay. And then write in terms of the, apa tu? Dia punya ni. Awak akan dapat apa? Vector basis. Okay. So this one you write first in the vector basis. Awak akan dapat. Kenapa dapat? Ni. Ni awak kira apa ni? Sudut 30. Mana dia bagi? Dia tak bagi pun angle. Mana boleh sebarangan buat gitu? Tak boleh. Okay, vector basis dulu you write. Okay, it's become 2 sin theta I minus 2 cos theta J. Okay, lepas tu cari magnitude. Okay, magnitude awak akan dapat berapa? Square root of 2 sin theta square plus berapa? Negative 2 cos theta square. Expand this one, awak akan dapat 4 sin square theta plus 4 cos square theta. Okay. This one, simplify 4, you can get sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So awak akan dapat 4 times 1. So your magnitude equal to square root of 4. So equal to 2. Ni magnitude you. Sama dengan 2. Ni macam mana dapat unit vector this one? Because the vector u is this value. So, your final answer supposedly, saya nak tulis kat mana? Sekejap
Boleh.
Boleh tak?
Boleh sir.
Yang lain? Mana boleh awak sebarangan tukar assume ni sudut. Kita tak tahu sudut dia berapa tu. Okay?
Sir, yang theta tu tekan calculator macam mana?
Mana boleh tekan calculator? Awak tekan calculator tak dapat.
Dia yang
Sebab tu jawapan akhir dia I sin theta unit vector ni. Awak dapat I sin theta plus minus J cos theta. Waktu awak nak cari magnitude, awak dapat 2. Macam mana awak dapat 2? How you get 2 in order to find the magnitude? Kita tahu magnitude adalah square root of 2 sin square theta 2 cos square theta. Expand square, awak akan dapat 4 sin square theta plus 4 cos square theta. Kita tahu, when you factorize 4, keluarkan 4 ni, awak akan dapat sin square theta plus cos square theta. Identity of trigo. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1.
Okay sir.
Faham ke tidak?
Faham.
Dia bawa
Faham,
balik
faham.
formula trigono.
Yes, trigonometry. Okay? Okay, now looks on the next question. C. Your vector equal to 6, 8, 1. So this one also same thing. Write in the vector basis. So that one, so you can get the magnitude 6 square plus 8 square plus 1 square. So you can get 100 101. Ni tertinggal ni. 36 plus 64. Yang ni bukan 100. Square root of 101. Okay, so it's not 10. Okay, this one is square root of 101. Tukar balik. And then this one make sure biar nampak tajam sikit. Boleh? Bila awak buat macam ni seolah-olah macam circle bracket. Nampak tajam. Zap. Sudah terang. Lagi bersuluh. Tajam. Boleh faham ke tidak?
Faham.
Faham sir.
Macam gunung
Okay.
Faham sir.
Ya, awak faham. Okay, D. 4, -2, 9. Okay, 4, -2, 9. This one ini sama dengan ni. Tajam. Ni pun tajam. Okay, so this one 4, -2, 9 in vector basis. So 4 square minus 2 square plus 9 square. So you can get square root of 101. Okay, so this one also same thing. 4 divided by square root of 101, -2 divided by square root of 101, and 9 divided by square root of 101. Okay, this one for question D. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Question 7. Okay. Let vector P, Q, and R find the following operation. So this one you want to find, you have vector P. This one also same thing. I, J, K, I, J, K, I, K, I, J, K. Make sure that one is a vector. You must put a symbol vector. Ni lagi lah sedih ni. If you put in terms of these types of bracket, tak perlu letak lagi simbol vektor IJK. You can choose either one. Yang ni. Ni. Okay, pilih salah satu sahaja. Okay, make sure awak kena tahu pilih bracket tu. Kalau awak nak buat formulation biasa, buat bracket gini saja. Jangan buat bracket tajam ni. Beza. It is different. Okay. So this one, you want to find the magnitude so you can get, even though your answer is correct, square root of 115, but your calculation, your writing is not correct. Automatically, it is not correct. Faham?
Zero faham.
Faham, sir.
Okay. So your final answer is square root of 115. Okay, B. Magnitude of P plus magnitude of Q. So this one also same thing. Magnitude ni pun sama juga. Choose either one. Whether you want to use IJK or you want to use these types of bracket. Okay, so this one also same thing. Okay, so magnitude P, you can get square root of 74. Magnitude of Q, you can get square root of 29. So by solving this one, apa buat ni? Ni apa ni? Tambah je lah dua ni sebab dia suruh cari vektor je. Magnitude. So you just get the summation between square root of 74 plus square root of 29. That is the answer. Not this one. Okay? Boleh? Bukan marah, teguran, membina. Okay.
Mantap, sir.
Question C. Negative 3P. Magnitude. Okay, magnitude mesti you must get in terms of number. Bukan dalam bentuk vektor. Okay, magnitude of negative 3P. Okay, what you get? Okay, so first find the magnitude of negative 3P so you can get berapa? This one ni. Ni. Square root of 666. Bukan ni. Sebab dah ada magnitude. Ni je jawapan dia. And then magnitude of berapa pula? 5Q. Mana ni? Yang ni. Mana magnitude dia? Alah ni. Q this one. Okay. 5Q. So you can get 25, 10. So magnitude of 5Q, you can get square root of 25 square plus 10 square. So this one equal to berapa C? Berapa? 5 square root of 29. Okay. And then you carilah. Yang ni betul ke tak ni? Ni. Ni. Dan salah je ni. Ni adalah square root of 246 kan? Okay, so your final answer is square root of 246 plus 5 square root of 29. Ya, masukkan dulu. Sebab dia nak cari magnitude. Jawapan in point boleh je, tak ada masalah. Sebab dia nak cari magnitude. Magnitude awak kena cari dulu vektor 5P tu apa, Q apa. Okay. Supposedly awak akan dapat benda yang sama je. Okay, boleh? Okay, next. Kalau awak nak bagi jawapan dalam point pun boleh juga. Okay, question D. Question D. Awak dapat apa ni? Soalan dia apa? Question D. Q minus 2P plus R. Okay. 2P equal to A minus 6J minus 14K. And then Q. Ni pun sama. Okay, supposedly ni tak payah ni, tak payah ni. Sebab awak dah buat dalam bracket ni. So you can get negative 3 plus 6 plus 16. Okay. Find the magnitude dia. So you can get 301, square root of 301 ni tak perlu. Okay. And then magnitude R 3i ni pun sama, tak payah sebab awak buat dalam bentuk bracket. And then you can get square root of 83. Ni pun sama, tak payah. Ni tak payah. Your final answer supposedly square root of 301 plus square root of 83. Okay? Boleh? Question 7. And then question 8. If vector u equal to this one pun sama juga, I, J, I, K. Okay. Find u dot v, vector u dot v. Oh, sorry. Vector u dot v, so awak just cari dot je. Okay, so 2 times 1, 1 times 0, and then 3 times negative 9. So this one you can get negative. Takkan negative 29. 2 minus 7, negative 25. Silap tekan calculator ke apa tu? Okay. Question 9. So u dot v also same thing. 3 times negative 3, negative 7 times 2, and then 6 minus 7. So you can get 19. Okay. That one for question 9. And then question 10, we will discuss Friday.
Next class.
Yes, next class for question 10. Okay, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay.